And this is one of the moments that Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce made history by becoming the most consistent athlete the world has ever seen. Now, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce will be preparing for her last and final Olympics in the Paris Olympics. And I feel like Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is targeting the Flojo world record in Paris Olympics. And I also feel like Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is also going for the gold medal. But it's never going to be easy for the 37-year-old Jamaican sprinter because she will be facing Shakara Richardson, Ellen Thompson Hera, and of course Shericka Jackson in Paris Olympic 2024. Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce has made history as the female goat of track and field, and she is also known for her consistency. In case you do not know, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce has a lot of athletics medals to her name. About 15 championship world athletic medals belong to Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. Now, this year is going to be an exception for Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce because it is going to be her last outing for the Olympics. And you know what it means when someone said that this thing I'm going to do is going to be my last outing. Definitely, you know that that person is ready for whatever he or she is going to be doing. Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is an amazing athlete and she has inspired a lot of athletes around the world. She is bold and she always believes in herself. And Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce is one of the most beautiful athletes. And there is no doubt that Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce will be remembered for ages and also in the history book of athletics. Let me hear your opinion in the comment section about what you think about Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a like thumbs up.